Hello and welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub. If you remember that in our previous classes we studied the laws of indices and how to apply those laws of indices in questions and how we apply those laws. If you have missed those videos, so you can refer to those videos if you have any misunderstanding. So today we will start a new chapter which is indices, exercise 4a and chapter 4. So question number 1, simplify each of the following. So the laws of indices, the first law is to if the bases are same, so we can add the powers. So the bases are same too, so we can add the powers 3 plus 7. So the answer will be 2 is to power 9. Same case in part b, minus 4 power 6 multiplied by minus 4 power 5. So the bases are same, so we can add the powers. So minus 4 power 6 plus 5 will be minus 4 power 11. So this is also same case, x power 8 multiplied by x power 3. The bases are same, so then we can add the powers and we will get the result x plus x power 11. And in this question also 3 y power 2 multiplied by 8 y power 7. So we can multiply the coefficients. So 8 is a 24, y powers will be added in multiplication. So 2 plus 7 will be 9, 24 y power 9. So these are the very easy questions that we will do today. These are very simplest questions. Then we will move to question number 2, simplify. If you have learned law 2, which says if the bases are same in division, so we can subtract the powers. So 5 power 8 minus 5 equal to 5 power 3. In B part, minus 7 power 11 divided by minus 7 exponent 4. So the bases are same, so that we can subtract the power. So minus 7 power 11 minus 4 will get the result minus 7 power 11. In the same case, 6x power 7 divided by x power 3. So 6 divided by 1 is 6, and 6x power 7 minus 3 get the result 6x power 4. So in D part, it was similar to the first question of D part. So D part says when minus 15y power 9 divided by y 5y power 4. So we can divide 15 by 5. So 3. So minus 3 y power when you are dividing the base with the same basis, so we can subtract the powers. So minus 3 y 9 minus 4 will get the result minus 3 y power 5. So moving on to question number 3. Says express 3 exponent 3 multiplied by 3 power 4 divided by 3 in the form of 3. 3n means 3 power anything. So when multiplication, so we can add the power. So 3 power 3 plus 4 upon 3 and 3 power 7 upon 3. We can write the powers in fraction forms also, in division form. So 7 minus 1 will get the result 6. So 3 power 6 will be our answer. So in the next question, write 2 power 8 multiplied by 2 power 3 upon 2 power 7 in the form of 2. And 2n means any power of 2. So in multiplication we will add the power, so we get the result 2 power 8 plus 3, we get the result 2 power 11 upon 2 power 7 equal to 2 power 4. Because 11 in division we will subtract the power, so 11 minus 7 equal to 4. So these are the very easy questions that we did today. And in our next class we will try to do some complex question, and we will step by step make and I will give my best to to you that you can understand every concept step by step. And this is now all of today, and thank you. Allah Hafiz.